Hey guys, it's Warren Nash and today we are making a seriously decadent dessert. Here is how to make sticky toffee pudding. And trust me, this is the ultimate show-stopping dessert for any dinner party. Now, firstly, take a jug and add 90 grams of soft pitted dates. Also add half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and pour in 100 milliliters of boiling water. Briefly stir, then set aside. And next, take a large mixing bowl and add 35 grams of cubed butter and 75 grams of demerara sugar. And now, either using a food processor, doing it by hand, or using a food mixer, cream the sugar and butter together until lighter in colour. You'll then need to add to the mixing bowl 90 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also add 1 tablespoon of black treacle. Finally, crack in 1 large egg into the bowl, then mix all of these ingredients together. We now need to prepare the soft pitted dates that we set aside earlier. So, taking either a mini food processor or a hand blender, blitz the dates into small pieces. Now add this mixture to the mixing bowl with the other ingredients, and for one final time briefly mix everything together. And then you should be left with a nice glossy sticky toffee mixture. Next, take a baking tray that's been lined with some greaseproof or parchment paper and place on 3 ramekins that have been greased and also have a piece of greaseproof or parchment paper on the bottom. And next, split the sticky toffee mixture between the 3 ramekins, then place into an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Then bake for between 25 and 30 minutes, keeping an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. And meanwhile, we'll prepare our sticky toffee sauce. So, place a saucepan over a low heat on the stove and melt 25 grams of butter. Then pour in 35 grams of muscovado sugar and 50 milliliters of double cream, followed by half a tablespoon of brandy. Now add half a tablespoon of treacle, then mix these ingredients together. Whilst remaining over a low heat on the stove, leave the sauce to simmer down until it's nice and thick, being sure to keep an eye on it to make sure none of it burns. Now, back to the puddings, and after the cooking time, when you can see that they've risen and they're cooked through, remove them from the oven. Use a knife to loosen the edges of the pudding to make sure they'll come out of the ramekins easily, then carefully turn each of the puddings out onto plates. Also, remove any greaseproof or parchment paper you had in the ramekins, then check on the sauce. When you're happy with its consistency and flavour, remove it from the stove, then generously pour it over each of the puddings. And there you have it, that's how to make these delicious sticky toffee puddings that are the perfect dessert to finish off a meal with.